Welcome to the demo of the Backlog Dashboard, a robust analytics solution designed by Perceptive Analytics, intended for finance executives, helping them track backlog shifts, spot bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and drive revenue generation. This dashboard was built for a client in the engineering services domain. The dashboard equips finance executives to see backlogs, detect blockers, and decide fixes. It tracks backlog evolution across phases, helping teams plan, allocate, and execute with precision. Let's first get a holistic overview of the dashboard. At the top, we have a breakdown of existing backlog by organization. You can click to filter and reveal months worth of work in the pipeline. Then further narrow it down by manager and select the one you're interested in to view the projects they lead. This leads to a detailed table outlining each phase, associated fee, and the backlog changes. Also, to alter the information displayed on the dashboard, use the View by filter to dynamically switch the visual axis. Now that we are well equipped with the dashboards working, let's derive insights from the top KPIs. For the viewing period, the current backlog has climbed to $3 million, a net rise of 814,000 over the last period. But it's not due to piling delays, it's fresh inflow. Also, new projects added $3 million, while existing phases cleared 2.19 million, signaling healthy execution alongside new demand. Let's now perform a deeper analysis. We are currently viewing the current backlogs, which helps us access where work is most concentrated. Let's examine how New Orleans is positioned. Click on it to filter the view. With 16 months worth of work and $890,000 in backlog, it's clearly overloaded. Next, let's look at the manager level breakdown. Our analysis reveals that Emily Johnson is handling majority of the workload, while Jennifer Miller is underutilized. Filtering for Emily, we find that the project Enchanted Enclave is contributing a significant share to her backlog. As an immediate corrective step, reallocating Enchanted Enclave to Jennifer could optimize resource distribution and enhance revenue realization. So, with this dashboard, executives can proactively manage backlogs to protect revenue, distribute backlog for effective resource utilization, and align realistic delivery timelines with project load. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.